Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is our today's question on lead code, and this question is basically daily challenge on 4th September, and the question is linked list cycle. So we will read this question first and we will try to figure out how we can solve this question. So given head, the head of a linked list, determine if the linked list has a cycle in it. Okay, so we are given the head of the linked list, okay, and we have to determine whether the linked list contains a cycle or not. Okay, so you can see that this linked list has cycle, this linked list has cycle. Okay, so there is a cycle in linked list if there is some nodes in the list that can be reached again by continuously following the next pointer. Okay, so we know the meaning of when we will get cycle. So basically if we are using this next pointer continuously, we will reach a pointer or a node again. Okay, so if we are able to reach the node again, we can say that there is a loop. Okay, and if there is a loop, what will do, you can say that there is a cycle. Okay, so internally pause is used to denote index of the node that tails next to pointer is connected to. Okay, note that pause is not passed as a parameter, so this pause is not passed as a parameter here. Okay, so we will not discuss upon this thing, we will not discuss about pause. Okay, and basically we have to return true if there is a cycle in linked list, or we have to return false if there is not any cycle. Okay, so let us have a closer view for this input. So we will have a closer view for this input. Okay, so what we will do, we will you have two pointers again, that is fast and slow, and this fast pointer will move two times, and this with the speed twice of that slow. Okay, so what we will do, in one move I will move this slow pointer by 1 unit. Okay, so this slow pointer will be moved to the next node, and this fast pointer will be moved to the next node. Okay, so this fast pointer will be moved to the next node. Okay, so you can see that I have moved this fast pointer two times. Okay, in one move. Again, what we will do, we will again perform the same operation. We will just move this slow pointer once. Okay, and the fast pointer two times, so one and then two. Okay, and again this fast slow pointer one time and fast pointer two times. Okay, so you can see that if there is a loop, the fast pointer and slow pointer are going to meet at some point of time. Okay, and overall conclusion to solve this question is that if at any point of time fast is equal to slow, what we can say, we can say that we have to return true. Otherwise what we'll do, we'll just return false. Okay, okay, whenever fast is equal to null, if fast become null. Okay, so if fast is equal to null, or fast arrow next is equal to null, what we can say, we can say that there is no loop. Okay, there is an end point of this linked list. So what does it mean? There is an end point of the linked list, so what we can say, there is no such loop. So we will use this concept here of fast and slow in order to find whether there is any loop or not. So let us try to code this question. So basically what we will have two list nodes, that is fast, and which is again equal to head, and slow, which is again equal to head. And what we will do, we will have a while loop here. So while fast and fast arrow next, so if both of them are not equal to null, okay, we will move slow one time. So slow is equal to slow arrow next. Okay, so I will write here, will move slow once, and fast is equal to fast arrow next. So I will write here, we will move fast twice. Okay, and whenever at any moment, so if fast is equal to slow at any moment of time, so if fast is equal to slow, we can say that there is a loop. So loop detected. So what we can say, we can say that we can just return true, and otherwise what we will do, we will just return false. Okay, so this false will be fired only when we are out of this loop. Okay, and if we, at what moment we will out of this loop, so whenever this fast or fast arrow next become null, we will be outside of this loop. Okay, so that's what I have said here. If fast is equal to null or fast arrow next is equal to null, what does it mean? There is an endpoint of linked list, and if there is an endpoint of linked list, there is no loop. Okay, so you can see that there is, this was the loop, there was the loop in this linked list, so there was no end such endpoint. But if there is an endpoint, there is not there is will not be any loop, so vice versa is there. So let us try to run this code. So you can see that all the test cases are passing. So let us see for main cases. So all the main cases are also passing. So I will again try to explain this code. So what we were doing, we were using these two pointers, fast and slow. The concept of these two pointers was used, and what we were doing, we were in one move, this slow will move one step and this fast will move two steps. Okay, so that's what I have written here. Slow is equal to slow arrow next, and fast is equal to fast arrow next. Okay, and whenever this fast is equal to slow, I have discussed whenever fast is equal to slow, we can conclude that there is a loop. Okay, otherwise what we will do, we will just return false. Okay, so that's what we were doing here. While fast and fast arrow next, this was the condition of this while loop, and we moved slow and fast, slow by one step and fast by two step, and whenever fast is equal to slow, we can conclude that loop is detected and we will return true. And otherwise whenever we are outside of this loop, we can say that there is an endpoint in this linked list, so what we will do, we will just return false. So in this way we have solved this question. So I hope you understood my solution, and if you like my solution, you can like my code also, you can like my video also. And if you have any kind of doubt regarding this question, or if you want to share any another approach for this question, you can write in comment section. And if you want to see some more videos like this, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.